Hey guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it'd be fun to bring you guys 5 easy hair hacks to make sure that your hair stays smooth and shiny and soft all winter. I also want to thank Garnier Fructis for partnering up with me on this video. I'm so excited to show you guys my tips using their Sleek and Shine line. I actually started using Garnier Fructis products when I was in middle school, so this was really fun to do. So without further ado, let's just get right into it and I'll show you guys my 5 tips on keeping my hair super smooth. So the first thing that you will want to do is absolutely never leave your house with wet hair. The process of your hair freezing because of the weather actually breaks a lot of your hair follicles and things like that, so it's never ever good to leave your house with wet hair, especially in the colder months. You will find that it goes a lot drier. If you absolutely have to leave your house and your hair is still a little bit damp, I recommend putting on a hat, getting into your car, and then turning the heat on to the highest till your hair is pretty much dry. Second thing that I love to do is make sure that I'm using the right products. So I have here the Garnier Sleek and Shine line. The first is a Sleek and Shine fortifying shampoo and then the Sleek and Shine conditioner. And these are both made with argan oil and they actually are made to leave your hair sleek and shiny for 3 entire days, which I absolutely love because I pretty much only wash my hair once every 3 days, and that also is great because then it leaves a lot less damage. The third tip that I have here is to use a mask. I end up using a mask a lot more often in the winter time because it is a lot drier, the wind, just a little bit of all that, and they have a leave-in conditioning cream. So what you can do is you put this in your hair, you leave it in for 10 minutes, shave your legs, put a mask on, all that stuff, and when you're ready to rinse everything off, your hair will be super shiny. Another thing I totally forgot to mention is that this product is actually meant to be left in. That's just how I use it day to day, but you can definitely also leave this in for that extra bit of moisture. Another really great thing that I do is I blast it with a cold shot of water. This helps seal all the moisture in after your shower, so when you are rinsing out your hair, trust me, it's not a great feeling to shower in cold water, especially in the winter, but your hair will thank you. It actually makes such a huge difference for me. Try it once, let me know what you think of it, because I honestly see such a huge difference when I rinse my hair out with cold water. And then the final tip is fake it till you make it. This is what I do to make my hair look really slick and shiny. All I do is I run a flat iron on the lowest heat setting after I have air dried my hair, just curve it inwards. I find when your ends look a little bit more put together, the rest of your hair kind of follows. And another great tip for this is using a rat tail comb and making sure that your part is perfectly straight. I feel like it definitely adds to the smoothness of your look and really goes well with this little fake blowout that you created from the flat iron. That wraps up my 5 hair hacks for the winter time. Let me know if you guys have any tips and I will leave all of Garnier's information in the description box below. If you guys like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.